Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the controller has charge and the console is on. This prevents mid-process drops. Once done, plug a USB-C cable to pair wired or navigate to controller's right arrow, change grip/order to trigger pairing mode. Press and hold the controller's sync button for 3-5 seconds until LEDs blink. That makes it discoverable. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the console. I'm guiding you through actions, so pairing completes cleanly rather than guessing which button sequence to press. Now choose wireless or wired pairing based on your use. For wireless, the blinking LED means the Switch 2 will list the controller. Select it on screen and confirm assignment to a player. For wired pairing, a USB-C connection usually auto-detects and maps buttons. Unplug only after confirming inputs respond. If the controller appears but behaves oddly, go to Settings right arrow controllers to check firmware. Updating resolves compatibility issues. Also make sure distance is short and no heavy interference exists. Finish by testing every input. Press buttons, move sticks, and verify vibration in the controller settings to ensure reliable play. Once confirmed, assign the controller to the desired player slot. That prevents conflicts when multiple controllers are connected. If connection fails, power cycle the console and controller, perform a controller reset, small button on the back, recharge fully, and update console firmware before repairing. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems. Repeat pairing after each restart to isolate which action fixed it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.